Hi guys, it's Am. I'm here and I am back with another video. So I did recently go to Sephora, guys, and I got just a few things, a few lip products and things. So it was my birthday. I decided to just go in there to see what they had new for me to try. So I did pick up the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Oil, and this one is in the shade Rose Amber number 3. This is a absolutely beautiful shade, and no, I didn't get it because my name is Amber. Okay, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It's in the standard Fenty Beauty packaging. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this color, you guys. Look at this. Tell me this doesn't scream fall, winter goodness. Okay, love it. Damn. The next thing I have here is by Tower 28, and this is their tinted lip treatment. I like this one. It's okay. I wish it was a little bit thicker, but I mean, it is what it is. I like it for its own reason. This one is in the shade Watermelon Kiwi, and it does smell very, very good. Let me kind of swatch it for you guys so you guys can kind of see. And I do have pigmented lips, what my top one is, and it does show up pretty well. It gives me that nice milky look, so I do like that. And while I'm at it, you guys, let me go ahead and swatch the Fenty one right beside it. I'm sorry I didn't swatch that one. Hopefully it'll show up. But here are the swatches. This one is the one from Tower 28, the strawberry, the watermelon kiwi, and then this one is the one from Fenty. Hopefully you guys can see it. The next thing I have here is by Summer Fridays. I absolutely love this lip butter balm formula. This one is in the color, I want to say it was pink guava. It's right here on the box. Pink guava. Love this one. This one smells really good. And I'm going to swatch just a little bit so you guys can, I don't know about that, y'all. It didn't really, a bunch of oil just came out. It doesn't really have much pigment to it. It has a little bit of pigment on my lips, but not too much, but this is it. Excuse the ash, child. It ain't the most moisturized. I've been washing my hands all day, but yeah. There's that one. And the last thing I got is the Gloss Bomb. This is a Universal Lip Luminizer in Champ Stamp Fantasy number 10. Love this one. I wanted to get this one before, but I didn't get it because I was trying to move through some of my other ones. But this one is absolutely beautiful. Y'all, I live for a good bronzy lip moment. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I already have something on my lips right now, but I actually have the one of the older orange ones on my lips. Oh, so good. Let's swatch it too. Oh, so pretty. So here is that one. This one is absolutely gorgeous. I know it's probably not picking up very well, but I am absolutely obsessed. And last but not least, y'all, I'm so excited about this. So this is the Forvr Mood. She was here, y'all. As you can tell, I'm so excited. So this one is the newest fragrance by Jackie. So excited. Love, love, love. Absolutely love. This packaging is just so freaking pretty. It's definitely giving fall. It's definitely a moment on its own. So this is what she looks like. So happy to haul this so I can wear it. Okay, girl. Trying to stay true, honey. But this one is She Was Here, and let me grab the box. So this one has roasted pistachio, Turkish rose, vanilla milk for the girl that leaves an impression wherever she goes. I have grown to love pistachio in my fragrances. They used to kind of like scare me a little bit, like pistachio, but it's crazy how your nose changes as you get older. Not to say someone younger might not like this one, because this one is just bomb, but you get what I'm saying. But this one is so good. I smelled it in the store, but I haven't worn it yet because I was trying to wait on y'all, girl. Oh my god. The rose in here, I'm not gonna lie, it did scare me a little bit at first, because I'm not really, the only rose, like true rose fragrance that I absolutely love is the one by Kayali. But this one is, because that one's got like fruity mix. It's got some other stuff mixed going on in there. So that's why I really like that one. But this one is nice too. You can really smell it. Like as it dries down, you really start to get that pistachio. Yeah, it smells so good. And I love a good vanilla too. So yeah, this is so cute. The packaging is so cute. She really did her thing with this. Love the color. Love everything about it. This one is a hit. If you guys don't have it, at least get the travel size and just support my girl. But this one smells really, really good. If you're kind of afraid of rose like I am, or you're afraid of like pistachio, just go smell it. You probably gonna be like, you know what? Yeah, I need that. Thank you. So it sold out, and then I ended up getting it a few days later after it came out. I really could have got it the day of. I was kind of afraid it wasn't gonna be in my Sephora that's close by my house, but it ended up being in stock for store pickup before it even went back live on the site. So that was exciting. On the Sephora website, I got mine from Sephora. I did a buy online pickup in store at BOPUS, and loved this down. Okay, you guys need this one. Go try it. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about it. Let me know if any of the notes scare you, like it kind of scared me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let me know how you guys feel about everything that I got. If you like some of the glosses that I got, if you don't like them, how you feel about them. I just like to know, you know, different opinions. I'm a person that loves to hear other perspectives outside of my own about just everything. So let me know in the comments. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, girl. Okay, so you don't miss another one of my videos. I'm so happy and just excited to be filming again. Okay, love you guys down, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay.